So anyway, so that's that. Let's turn the whole bike off. Yamaha MT10. Only downside, I think, the only con, I think, in the entire bike is this needs to be taller massively, otherwise your head just feels like it's being ripped off when you go over like a 70 mile an hour on a national speed limit, so maybe 100. And the rear tyre absolutely destroys them because it's just laying down so much torque. Keep like looking away from the bike. Otherwise, it's absolutely phenomenal. Just the power delivery is just phenomenal. Do they wheelie? Absolutely. But I think they're hyped up way too much than they actually are. So they wheelie, like any bike wheelies, if you mess around with the settings. Although having traction control on or off makes a huge difference, with it on, you will notice power wheelies quite constant, depending how hard you're ripping that throttle back. But that aside, you can also wheelie like crazy if you turn traction control off, because you unlock a lot more power. The bike is just absolutely destruction. Yeah, I don't know what else to really add to that, to be honest. Comfort, yeah, you know, it's here and there. Long distance, it's me. I went to Cheddar Gorge, it's about 3 hours away, 2.5 hours away. Drinks fuel like crazy. I don't know if I know this person. It's going to interrupt my intercom again, isn't it? But that aside, oh, it's 2 up. Oh, I know, Phil! Oh, Phil! No, okay, whatever. But yeah, that's that. I fucking love it. It's just gorgeous. It drinks fuel like crazy. You're looking around 70 miles per tank if you're ragging it. If you're not ragging it, you're maybe pushing 90 to 100 miles per tank. Each tank of fuel's around 24 quid if you're using V-Power. The bike is mapped to momentum, so I'm getting a bit more juice, a bit more power from that. Pretty juicy stuff. And that's kind of it, really. I'm just going to play some clips for you guys so you can see kind of my riding style on it. What are you doing, sweetheart? Bye! I like that. That's quite cool. Oh, it's Hobden. I know Hobden. Quite a cool number plate, mate. Give you that. Now I need to fix me. I don't want to overtake him because it'll be dangerous. My tyres are bold!